ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship ho bajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Uba Ronnie lingdo ubolong MLA nong yalam jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haka khalai tarik uleber arja apsa ula keno abaka ain Citizenship Amendment Act arja ka khandai karitang ka Buit Saiñpyrthei jong ka BJP ka balawan ra ka rule jong ka ain shwa banwan ka election Lok Sabha khanang ban phia arliang ya ki nong song jong kari ha ka kerteng kanyam ha ka jinga kan bigla pathai khubor uba Ronnie ula pandram jor ya ni ka jingle jong ka BJP but ongru bagi paj ba kari bro kowe ki dei ban persha jor ya ni ka Buit jong ka BJP.
We feel more reassured if that is part and parcel of the rules in the CA. Just by mere making statement, I don't think we can be so reassured that it will not be implemented. Let us see in the rules that they frame that 6 scheduled areas are exempted. Then we will believe. Like to see the rules. They've framed the rules, so we like to see the rules. Unless we see in black and white, we cannot take anything for granted.